Hi, welcome back to Mama D's Kitchen. Tonight we're going to talk about cream of anything soup mixes. And I have a can here on my counter of cream of chicken soup. I also have a regular onion on my counter. But I also want you to notice the Thrive products that I have here in front of you. So right here is onion. Now, I didn't chop or anything. I didn't chop that onion, I didn't peel it, I didn't throw it away, I didn't do anything with it. But I just kind of wanted to show you how much would you waste of this onion before you get to the onion part that you want to cook with. Something to think about. So tonight we're going to put together a cream of anything mix. So anytime you are going to use a cream of chicken, a cream of mushroom, a cream of celery soup, you could use this in place of the cans that you would buy in the store. So let's get started. You see that we've got the different Thrive products here, but I'm going to explain to you exactly what we're going to use. We're going to use Thrive milk, Thrive chicken bouillon, Thrive chopped onion, peppercorns, and a mixture of parsley, basil, and thyme seasoning. And we're just going to dump all these into the container. We're going to whisk it up together, and then we're going to put it in a jar, and we're going to put one of these oxygen absorbers in it. Oh, I forgot to mention cornstarch. We also have cornstarch, which is not Thrive, but you got to have it. So, all right, so we got cornstarch, we've got chicken bouillon, we've got Thrive onions. Boy, that smells good. Peppercorn, and a mixture of the seasonings. And what we're going to do is we're going to just whisk that all together. Just take a look at that, Dave. Make sure all of those flavors come together. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take our jar, and I'm going to take my funnel, and we are going to funnel content into the jar. Now, if you were going to make a soup mix, let's say that you're making chicken spaghetti and you need cream of chicken soup. Well, all you do is take 1/3 cup of this soup mixture. Let me make sure I've got my numbers right there. Yes. All you do is take 1/3 cup of this soup mixture and add water, and it's soup. So we're going to kind of pat that down to get all that air out of there. And I'm going to add just a tad bit more in there. Give it a little fullness. I'm going to take one of these little packets in there. Screw the lid on tight, and you have cream of anything soup. It smells wonderful from here. Now you could take this, and let's say that you wanted to do cream of mushroom soup. Okay, you've got your cream of anything soup. Well, you could do a cream of anything and throw mushrooms in it. So in your cupboard, this would be cream of mushroom soup mix. So we have one jar already made, and this is just our cream of anything soup. We put one oxygen absorber inside it, so no, we don't want to get any moisture into it until we're ready to use it. What we're going to do is this next one, we're going to make a cream of mushroom soup. And so let me just grab this little pasty thing here. It's so easy to mix up, and you just keep it in your pantry. I mean, Dave, this weighs a pound, if even that, half a pound. All right, so what we want to do is, because we want to allow room for our Thrive mushrooms. Just mushrooms is all they are. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of mushrooms out of here, and we're going to put them in our jar. And we're going to kind of chomp that down just a little bit. Throw our oxygen absorber in there, put the lid on it, and you have a cream of mushroom soup. just make this last one up a little bit. This is just cream of chicken or cream of celery, cream of anything. And what I didn't do to this one, and I bet you could do it, is Thrive celery. If you wanted to just take it and you wanted to make it, chop it up a little bit, the celery pieces, and put it in your jar, you could have a cream of celery. If you use a lot of cream of celery soup, that would be a great thing to do. We're going to throw our oxygen absorber in there. I keep wanting to say oxygen moisturizer. Not sure why. But, all right. There you have. You have 2 jars of cream of anything and 1 jar of cream of mushroom soup mix. All you do is add a 1/3 cup of your mix to, I believe it's 1 1/4 cups of cold water. Whisk it really good, and it takes the place of having to have canned cream of anything soups in your cupboards. I hope this was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below. Do you have a favorite soup mix that you like? Maybe we can Thrivealize it as well. Until next time, keep looking up.